How to create the text behind the person effect in CapCut. Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super cool and easy way to create the text behind the person effect in CapCut. This effect adds a professional touch to your videos, so stick around till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Import your video. Open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. For this tutorial, I'm using a clip of a girl walking, and I want to place the text behind her. Step 2. Add text. 1. Tap on text and then select Add Text. 2. Enter the text you want to display. 3. Customize your text by choosing the font, style, color, and position. Place the text wherever you like on the screen. Step 3. Adjust the text layer. Drag the text layer across the entire length of the video so it stays visible throughout the clip. Now, let's add some animation. Select the text layer and tap Animation. Under In, choose the Fade in animation and set it to about 1 second or more. Under Out, choose the Fade Out animation and set it slightly longer than the Fade In. Here's how the video should look so far: smooth text appearing and disappearing. Step 4. Export and re-import. 1. Export the video with the text by tapping the Export button. Save it to your gallery. 2. Go back to CapCut and create a new project. 3. Import the video you just exported, with the text, as your main clip. Step 5. Add the overlay. 1. Tap on Overlay and add the original unedited video, the version without the text. 2. Zoom in slightly on the overlay video so it aligns perfectly with the background video. Step 6. Remove the background. 1. Select the overlay video and go to Cutout. 2. Tap on Remove Background and let CapCut process it. This step will isolate the subject in your video. Step 7. Final adjustments. Once the background is removed, position the overlay video directly over the main video. This will make the text appear behind the person in the clip. And that's it, you've just created the text behind the person effect. Wrap up. Export your final video and share it with your friends or on social media. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.